Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best fitness tracker. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Samsung Galaxy Smart Watch Fitness Tracker. If you have a Samsung phone, this is the best full-featured smart watch for fitness tracking. It and the Watch 6 Classic are the first watches to get Wear OS 4 and One UI 5 watch, which adds a bunch of health and sleep tracking improvements like temperature-based cycle tracking, personalized heart rate zones, and custom workouts. It also has the same 3-in-1 sensor, which enables body composition analysis. That's a unique feature that no other smartwatch at the moment is capable of. You can also access workout videos from the Samsung Health app, though the production values aren't as good as Fitness Plus or Peloton. While I prefer the classic overall, rotating bezel. The base Watch 6 model is our pick for general fitness tracking due to its lighter weight and smaller size. Overall, it's less distracting during workouts and more comfortable for sleep tracking. That said, the Classic is a very capable tracker, even if its aesthetic and larger size lend it toward being a better smart watch. Number 7 in my list is Apple Series 9 Smart Watch Fitness Tracker. With watchOS 9, Apple added advanced running metrics and the ability to create custom workouts. This year's watchOS 10 update adds greater integration with cycling accessories, as well as custom workout plans within Fitness Plus. Hikers also get better maps and directions on the wrist. Otherwise, the watch is incredibly similar to last year's Series 8. That's fine. Not only could you save a bit of extra dough by opting for an older model, but you're still getting the vast majority of the features that matter. Exclusive to the Series 9 are the forthcoming double-tap gesture, brighter screens, and offline Siri capability. But these are fairly minor if your real focus is fitness. But if you want to use Siri to interact with your health and fitness stats, that's also a Series 9 exclusive. Of course, we also have to address the Apple Watch Band. Number 6 in my list is Withings Light Smart Watch Fitness Tracker. The $249.95 Withings Scan Watch Lite is a fetching hybrid analog smartwatch. Think of it as a dressier fitness band with some Swatch-like design sensibilities. It's got all your basics like simple push notifications, timers, and alarms. Plus, you can track steps, sleep, menstrual cycles, and GPS activities straight from the wrist. It looks spiffy on the wrist, and if you like a pop of color, Withings offers minty green and pale blue color options. It's also got excellent battery life, with an estimated 30 days on a single charge. I got a little less in testing at around 25 days, but that's still much better than the vast majority of flagship smartwatches. This also looks way more stylish than Beefire multisport watches with similar battery life. Number 5 in my list is Amazfit Band 7 Fitness Tracker. It's truly hard to beat the Amazfit Band 7's $49.99 price. Doubly so since you can often find it on sale for even less. Wearing the Band 7 feels like a throwback to 2014, which is great if all you're looking for is a simple and casual tracker that won't break the bank. No one is going to compliment you on the Band 7's design, but it's got a handful of cute watch faces that make good use of its OLED touchscreen. And despite having an OLED display, you'll still get roughly 14 days of battery life on a single charge. It's also incredibly lightweight, making it a good option for sleep tracking as well. Number 4 in my list is Oura Gen 3 Smart Ring Fitness Tracker. While smaller than your average wearable, the Oura Ring still tracks a ton of metrics, including heart rate variability and body temperature. The third iteration of the device also introduces SpO2 sensors, as well as all-day heart rate monitoring and period predictions. Since launching, the Oura Ring has also added activity tracking, blood oxygen levels, chronotypes to help visualize your circadian rhythms, and a new social feature called Circles. It's also begun rolling out a whole new sleep stages algorithm that it claims is more accurate than before. If you're looking for some stress relief, the Oura Ring also lets you track guided meditation sessions. The Oura Ring tracks typical metrics, such as steps and calories burned, but its main focus is sleep and recovery. Each day, you're given 3 sets of scores for your readiness, sleep, and activity. It's a simple, holistic look at your overall wellness and an ideal pick if you want a more hands-off experience with your data. Number 3 in my list is Garmin fēnix 7S Pro Smart Watch Fitness Tracker. Like the Garmin Epix Pro, the fēnix 7 Pro line has an updated optical heart rate sensor for improved accuracy. It also has excellent battery life, a slightly brighter MIP display, solar charging, and the option of upgrading to sapphire crystal. Garmin's flagship fēnix 7 series is no joke, and the fēnix 7 Pro lineup takes it up a notch. It's got built-in multiband GPS, solar charging on all models, the option of touchscreen or button navigation, topographical maps, and oodles upon oodles of data. Plus, every fēnix 7 Pro model has a hands-free LED flashlight, an upgraded heart rate sensor, and an improved memory and pixel display that's slightly easier to read in low lighting. Garmin wearables are also known for providing extensive, in-depth metrics, and the fēnix 7 Pro lineup is no exception. You get excellent recovery metrics, as well as helpful training guides and coaching programs. The best part is Garmin doesn't charge extra for those features. That's good news, as these are expensive watches. Number 2 in my list is Garmin Venu Smart Watch Fitness Tracker. Garmin is known for its comprehensive fitness tracking, and that's not an exception here. Of course, you get the basics, like steps and calories burned, but you get a whole lot more too. There's built-in GPS for tracking walks, runs, and bike rides, as well as plenty of other sports profiles like yoga and strength training. For smart features, you get push notifications, timers, contactless payments, and a bunch of safety features like Garmin's incident detection, which is its take on fall detection. You will need to carry your phone with you, however, as this doesn't have LTE. If you want the option of onboard music, you can shell out $50 extra for the music edition, which comes with enough storage for about 500 songs. I wouldn't recommend it, however, as you'll most likely have your phone on you since this isn't a true standalone watch. What I like most about this watch, however, is it's one that you can grow with. On top of recovery metrics and sleep tracking, it also has Garmin Coach, a built-in free training program for beginner and intermediate level runners hoping to tackle a 5K, 10K, or half marathon. Number 1 in my list is Amazfit GTR 4 Smart Watch Fitness Tracker. The Amazfit GTR 4 punches way above its weight. It's affordable at $199 and includes a whole array of features you'd expect to see on much pricier wearables. That includes a bright OLED screen, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep stage tracking, stress tracking, Amazon Alexa compatibility, and an offline digital assistant. It's also got a native camera remote and a handy Pomodoro timer built in. And for outdoor fitness enthusiasts, the GTR 4 also has multiband GPS for more accurate GPS tracking in challenging environments. You can even import GPX routes from sites like Strava and Komoot. The GTR 4 takes a more holistic approach to health, trading in steps for PAI points to gauge whether you're getting the recommended 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.